So these are my real nails. I stopped wearing, press-on gel nails, the trendy nail thing a good year or so ago, just because it just saves money to just grow your own nails like you have them. And right now, I have a broken nail, and I'm going to show you a trick that I learned eons ago on repairing a nail that is broken. And I'm going to be using some crazy glue and some toilet paper. And that is how I am going to repair my nail. So you see me cutting some smaller pieces to make it a little bit easier for me to place this on my nail. So make a little small square piece, and I'll put some glue right on top of what I just glued down just to make sure that it was secure. And I put the toilet paper right on top of the nail, and I press it down into the glue, and I have to let it dry. But before I let it dry too much, I continue to add more glue and fold over in the areas to make it a little bit more, you see I'm folding it over just to make it a little bit more secure. And wherever the crack or the break is, make sure you know, have the toilet paper like a little bit more extended above and below where the broken area of your nail is. And you do want to press this toilet paper into the glue. The glue is going to make it hard. It's going to make it feel like old school acrylic. It's not going to feel like gel polish or anything like that. It's going to literally feel like old school, acrylic nails. I learned this eons ago, like when YouTube first came out, like in, I don't know, 2008, 9, maybe a little bit earlier than that. But yeah, that's when I actually learned this. And I also saw this same exact process or, tip, trick on Pinterest. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's hardened. You want to let it dry at least 30 minutes longer. In this video, I waited about an hour or two, and then I shape it with my nail files and try to get it as smooth as I possibly can. So just shaping the nail and getting everything smoothed out. So I'm going to clean the nail just a little bit more just to get all of the debris and everything off of it. And you can see that it still looks like it's, my nail, like you can see through it a little bit. But I'm going to use Pink Armor nail gel. This is what I use on all of my nails. This is how I'm able to keep them long and hard and unbreakable. But sometimes, if I don't care for them quite often enough, they could possibly break, or because I'm doing a lot of stuff, sometimes my nails will break, but at least I know how to fix them and I'm showing it to you. So I use this, or you can use a Sally Hansen's nail hardener for it. And I do put this on the bottom of my nail as well because it makes it an extra, supportive hardness for your nails. But because I did this trick with my nail, it definitely makes it a lot harder to break again. This is a gel nail top coat, so you do have to use a God, I can't even get it out. But yeah, you see this right here. You do have to use this. So it is a gel polish. It's clear. It's a top coat. And you're going to have to use a UV light. There it is. You're going to have to use a UV light in order to cure this on top, and it makes it smoother as like it is your nail, because keep in mind, after you file it, you're still going to have some little cracks and things like that. So you still want to file it down as smooth as you can without totally filing it all off of your nail. And then after that, I make sure I push my skin away from any of the gel that have dried over it, and I do my last bit of shaping and smoothing and making sure everything is looks as natural as possible. And then finish it off with some cuticle oil. And there you are. My nails are all done. I've already went through my other nails to add the pink Armor gel nail polish. And I don't put the gel nail polish on, that uses the UV on the rest of my nails. I just like the nail hardeners for it because my nails can last pretty long. But that's it. If you think this is helpful for you, give it a try, and I'll see you in the next video.